Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. Today we are headed down to Washington, D.C. for Brooks, aka Fixin' Stuff's Surron ride. It's not technically a mega ride, but it's a big ride, so we'll call it a Surron big ride. Super excited to head down. Weather is looking a little There's a 30-40% chance of rain down there during the ride times, but hey, rain or shine, sleet or snow, we're still gonna ride. So got about 2.5 hours to get down there. We've obviously got the Talaria in tow, so it should be a fun one. All right guys, we just pulled up. We're in the parking garage now. We're gonna get the bike unloaded. I already actually drove by the group, so I saw them over there. But let's get this bike out and head over there. Hopefully this rain stays away. All right, guess we gotta take the stairs. Yeah, it's kind of freaking cold and wet, but we're gonna make the most out of all of it. It's always interesting coming to new cities when you ride. I've now gone to Austin, Tampa, and New York City. It's always a little scary at first, like not knowing how the cops are and how things work here, but we'll learn in due time. Yo, what's good, bro? Hey, what's up, dude? Long time no see.
Am I pretty? Okay, all right. Hi, I'm Brooks, Fixin' Stuff. We're here at beautiful Columbus Circle on this gorgeous day in downtown DC. The Capitol in the background. We're just about here to do some riding. Not gonna let no rain stop us. We ain't scared of no water. We ain't scared of no Capitol Police. We're just out here gonna have a good ass time. Just do our thing.
All right guys, and we are outside leaving now, out on the bikes. Hopefully the weather holds up, and hopefully my microphone behaves, because it has been acting funky. Never buy a GoPro.
Yeah, I'm really woo! My shit like, bitch, I'm really him. Hold up, look, walking this bitch like, yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, hey. Bitch, I'm really him. Don't believe me, come and see me. Got 3 witches from my DD. Now I'm on your local.
We got the stunters outside now. Ooh, a little foot drag on the knee knock. I need to learn that. Yes, sir. He's got it. DC streets. Guys, now in case you're wondering, last video or a couple videos ago I put on this new nuclear controller. It is waterproof, so even with this rain, just like the stock controller, it's all waterproof, so. Woo! Oh my gosh. I was not ready for that drop back. Whew. But oh, there's our first cop up there. Supposedly cops here really shouldn't be too bad. You never know when you're coming to a new city. What's up? Cops here supposedly aren't too bad with the e-bikes, so hopefully it's all good. All right, can we go over to side saddle now? That's what we're gonna try. Ah, we failed. Oh, now the rain is starting again, bro.
I need a pair of those Saints of Speed gloves.
My favorite ones are the donuts. Yeah, shout out Saints of Speed for sending these gloves over. Everyone always loves them. All the food gloves. You got tacos on right now, but there's donut ones. There's pizza ones. There's like all these cool designs. Here. We got it. Yo, that Ultra sounds crazy. Is that chain drive? Oh, it is belt. Those are pretty loud. Ready? Let's get on the sidewalk. We got it. This guy looks like he's about to go parasailing. This guy just gave me this. Oh. Were we gonna ride up there? Oh yeah. That had to be my longest brake one-hander there. I think my front tire needs air. Woo-hoo. We're getting good at those throttle one-handers. Yes, sir. This is Billy. This kid kills it. Oh, I think we're pulling up to the supermarket now. A little pit stop. See, it's raining, but we're still outside. It's only just a little drizzle. I think you got it too. Nah. I think I'll be better at going up. We need more run up. Need a little more run up. Hopefully we don't get it flat doing this. Yeah, I need to give it a little more beans. Damn. Told you I'd do it. Dude, what's your excuse now? Come on. Yeah, the Ultra's made for that. Easy. Okay, air. $1.50. Quarters only? Are you kidding me? That's clapped. That's so clapped. I just need air, man. Bro, how is it quarters only? That's so whack. Well, this is the whole process. I just really got quarters so I can use this damn machine. 6. All right, I put some more air in it. I honestly can't tell if it's flat or not. Dear God, please tell me I did not get a pinch flat. Please, please, please. Oh yeah, this is the Doom Wheelies. Doom_Wheelies. He's the one we got the tune from, so shout out Kyler. He's got a XXX, OG XXX, with a custom 3D printed version. All right guys, we're done at that spot. Gonna keep riding now. Whew. No brakes up the hill. No need for them.
Alright, so Dama, yo, 30 in the clip, drop 100 on the zip. All I see is blue faces, you would thought I was a crip. I don't say a word, got my fingers to my lip. Yeah, and I don't never trip, all I do is take trips. I just knew I was the man ever since I was a jit. Shorty got them double D's, I'm trying to see a nip slip. Make $1 million while I'm young as hell, R.I.P. nip. Came up with a plan and we sticking to the script. Break that thing.
All right, here's the new learn. Sit down, over the side saddle, and back. Yo, do you want to swap for a go? Is it in sport?
No, it's in barely.
There's the Ultra. Dude, I need one of these. Really in the big boy. Oh my god. Dude, it's so nice. This thing is so snappy though.
Takes some time to get used to it.
It is a big girl. see over the, I gotta look down the forks of it. I can't see. I'm used to being able to see over the front wheel on the Razor and Floria. It's nice to have actual moto brakes too. Thank you. Now back on the tiny bike. It literally feels like a toy now. Alright guys, well, cops just don't seem to care, evidently. Thank you. Oh, here we go. We got the National Monument on the stage. Wheelies at the monument. Come on now. That was like the most cartoon fall. There she is, the old White House.
Hello, can you go? Hello.
It's about a straight peg. Almost.
Alright, gentlemen, this concludes the first ride. I appreciate everybody who came out here. Y'all are troopers. We're gonna take a break from here. It's 2:40. We're gonna be meet back over, I think it's that way. Ah, that's a giveaway.
What's up, twin?
Hey.
Oh, hey.
What's up, twin?
All right, guys, so we are back at the van. Let's get this helmet off. So the GoPro did in fact die. We're not surprised by that, but it also had some audio issues that I realized the whole day. I was trying to make sure that the audio was working, the mic was working on the GoPro, and it's still messed up, so apologies for that, but let's get this bike loaded. My car battery died the other day, so I was really scared there that it wasn't going to start for a sec. Okay. Okay. Let's get some more light. There we go. Well, guys, shout out to Brooks, aka Fixin' Stuff, for putting on this whole ride out. He also did a giveaway. That happens tonight. Unfortunately, I am only here for the day ride today, and it sucks, you know, that the weather was not great, but nevertheless, it was still a really good time. So shout out Brooks for organizing this. Shout out to the sponsors of the event, Nuclear. I'm like their biggest fan. Powerful Lithium and Barbel. Shout out to all those cool companies. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, the plan is to continue to, am I going the right way? This is some weird shit. I'm definitely hoping to continue to go to ride outs like this. So travel around, go to rides, super fun. It's the whole point of the van. So anyways, guys, though, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time now. Peace.